Hi, I'm Chris Stewart with Lifestyle Home Products, and I'm here inside one of our newly installed all-season sunrooms here in beautiful Mississauga, Ontario. Even in the heart of winter, this space is brighter, more comfortable, and built to be enjoyed all year round. Right now is the perfect time to plan ahead with our Winter Works Savings event. For a limited time, you pay 50% off installation, and best yet, you won't pay until spring.
The people at Lifestyle are exceptional. From sales through to service, the quality of the product and how good it looks, the feedback we get from our friends and neighbors says a lot about how good Lifestyle is at what they do, creating this kind of environment in our home.
Call or visit us online today to book your free in-home design consultation. Visit us at lifestylehomeproducts.ca or call 1-800-465-0593. Lifestyle Home Products. Love your home year-round.